If I thought I go get money for this life, I won't see him. I want to know my destiny. Baba, show me my future, man.
My son, you want to see your future?
Yes.
Kele kane kilo toto. Adventure today news. Okore. Anamano. Watch.
You.
For your future, you go be armed robber.
Hello my people on a day, it's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, let's check this video out and see what fantastic and funny comedy it's got in stock for us. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments while watching. Share this video. So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Welcome to another edition of this wonderful boxing competition. Hey! Featuring Alanta all the way from Zimbabwe. And a ticket all the way from Brodda City. As you all know, the winner of this competition goes on with a sum of 2 million naira. Okay.
No need.
Swear.
And that go win.
The Shaggi, what do you know about boxing?
Hey! So, the winner of this competition will leave his opponent with Bruce.
They never start fights now. You don't carry your opponents, they go.
What be this?
As you can see, Alanta has already defeated the first contestant. And now, we are moving over to the second contestant.
It is smoky.
Hey!
I bet 100 naira and from will you keep quiet and just away from here.
Hey!
They never start now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alanta have defeated 2 contestants. Now let's move over to the final round of this competition.
I believe you can do this. The victory is ours. 2 million and this.
I present to you
2 million at this.
Hey!
Hey!
5 years of madness.
This one had this.
It is smoky.
You don't run.
I can see everything turning around.
Where you there, man?
Turning around for my
MCC.
Oga.
everything turning around.
Now, no one waste time for here.
No man, enter.
Turning around.
Person the box, don't find enter box.
Everybody listen. This car no go stop until we reach MCC Junction. Everybody hold your chain.
Move this car.
Everything turning around. Turning around. God bless you, sir.
Ah, it's still fine as well.
I can see everything turning around.
It is very shameful.
Alright. I
Did they still follow and come here?
I did not receive anything.
Don't go now, babe. Please, babe.
I'm leaving this relationship. I can't continue this way. I mean, you don't give me time and attention.
Babe, I will try. Just give me time. I'll work on it. Please.
Hello?
It's okay.
Where are you?
Come on, baby, let's have it.
You don't find another babe. You don't find another guy.
Baby, I broke up with my boyfriend. Can you imagine? He's not giving me time and attention. It's good as you broke up with that boy. Oh. Please don't go back to him. Oh.
Okay.
Don't go back, please. Don't. Trust me. Me, I'm not going back. Oh. I trust you.
No problem.
The next day.
It is in our play. Hey, shut down.
Come over.
Who the Zuzu?
I have a surprise for you.
Let's have it. Man, nigga.
Okay, Daddy, I miss you
Babe,
too.
what's up?
Hi, babes. How you doing?
I'm good.
We didn't go back to that guy.
No, me. No, God forbid.
Are you sure?
I'm at home. I'm chilling at home.
Okay, just relax, sleep, eat.
Yeah.
You?
Okay, darling. Talk to you later.
Babe, what was that?
Oh, my mom.
Woman, our enemy.
Chief, you be like who they go aja.
My brother.
No hold me for hand like that now. I dey go a job, but allow me make I waka where I dey waka.
Chief, you come now. Make I be your personal driver today. You don't feel the track under this Soso, Chief. And
my brother, leave me. Now me know wetin make I dey waka now.
Chief, now make I carry you. Chief,
You don't get money now.
Chief,
Allow me to go.
Enter. Okay. Make I carry you today.
If you insist now.
Chief don't get money.
Thank you so much.
Chief. Chief, Oya, now go wait for you. Make I carry you.
You go carry me go back.
Now.
Oh, you are such a nice person.
Chief, I tell you now, make I be your personal driver today.
You be better person. The only difference between you and Jesus now say you know we are wig, then you don't get white cloth.
Chief, I dey wait. Now this kind of person.
Chief no get money.
Chief, you tell.
My brother no verse. Now these people where I go see now, then I don't waste my time.
Chief, your money na 7,000.
7,000 naira for waiting.
Run, no.
Not be you where they call Jesus since. You get anywhere for Bible where anybody give Jesus 7,000.
The money where I take buy fuel go come, who go pay for them?
Now you chatter me if we won't check everything will happen. You don't do now. Now you first make mistake now. Now you go they call me chief. I don't know where I collect title. I just come here and say make I dress like this so that I feel collect money from Lapu.
Jesus.
I can't reach now. Then they tell me say my documents no complete. Say I go wait for another 4 months. I don't even touch as I come. I go even see if I feel collect 200 naira from you. Make I take it.
So this clothes we wear na packaging. So you don't get money?
Yes.
My brother, you fit even drop me for that junction.
Who is this man in the first place?
You supposed to be a dinner man.
That's where they go on your own. Now you say you won't carry him now. So
Chief, come. I bet me push him, no gree start.
Look at my face.
Babe, let me drive you home today.
You want to drive?
Yes, you've always been the one driving, so all we need to do today is relax. Let me take you home.
Are you sure?
Yes, give me the car key.
Okay.
Don't worry, I got you.
2, 3, go.
Jesus.
Who was that girl I saw you with at the supermarket, and what were you guys talking about?
I don't understand, babe. Are you stalking me now?
Answer me or else I'll crash this car. You want to try me? Try me! Try me!
Babe, calm down. Babe. She's an old friend. She was trying to introduce me to a betting platform to make easy money. The betting platform is Paripulse. She said on my first deposit, if I use the promo code C, I get $150,000. Withdrawal and deposit is easy with OPay. Paystack. I thought I would. It was all, baby.
She's not your I'm sorry, I thought you were cheating on me. But you still love me, right?
I sound you.
Yes.
Just come out from that stair first.
Let's go, man. Kadu.
I don't want trouble.
Right.
You supposed to know.
Umbrella boy.
Mazi.
I'll call you back. Open that boy.
Mazi.
Open that boy. Open that boy. Oh my God. You don't tell oh my bro.
Now you be this.
You this is now.
Now you can't be this.
This one a car. This one one of my toy. What to the straw now?
You think it's a joke?
Toy?
You think it's a joke?
Call a car now my toy.
So, guy, don't make come.
I'll never be broken, man.
I'll never be
Give me updates now. You got the trenches soon. Update full everywhere. They find updates. You find your playmaker tips. Playmaker tips.
Everybody they advertise betting platform now. When I want to send us go village.
Mado.
I said they're sure that you get smartphone.
Get smartphone.
Now you the door. Bring out your phone. Click the link on the bio or join through the comment section. Now free.
I don't do it.
Now you are talking about me.
Congratulations, you're already a billionaire, so why you don't join that Telegram channel?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, now I get where the road to go. I won't quickly go catch up with one client. But before I go, I just find small thing. I'll be to your side.
Baba, no worry. As you don't teach me how to fish, you don't need to give me fish.
Are you whining yourself?
Boss, I go need the fish.
That time,
small boy with a big man sense. You don't like me, they give him stress.
We go cash up there.
Okay, no problem.
Now you say you don't want now.
Don't like me, then give him stress. So Kiriku, no, they take my sense.
Landlord, today I will come up for your ass.
No one.
You see that your ass not why they owe you. I will pay everything. Okay. For this I go ask people in the chat.
No one.
Everywhere do good. I will come up for your house today. Kiriku. The Lord has done it. Too much. The Lord has done it. Lord has done it.
Why you there now?
Kiriku, if you know what's happening like this, you're supposed to follow me. They are happy. You know that telegram channel that my friend introduced to me now? Play me captives. You know, say I joined that telegram channel that day.
Yes.
I collect short odd for day, like so I play am. Guess what?
What happened?
We talk cash at 300 million.
Hey!
300 million! Yeah. See now? I don't feel like for you now.
Jesus! Yeah.
Jesus.
No scatter.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey! Jesus!
Uncle Blind.
My phone screen don't blind. Jesus, see, my food don't scatter. Kiriku, I never catch at all.
No lie. What's
going on? You don't bring new person come.
Let's have it.
Okay, landlord.
Let's have
You dey furnish o?
Fully furnished. Don't make this heat just. Now this one they hold me well. And I be they say the phone now. Won't take car, but now you be new take car. Use property.
Okay, landlord, thank you.
You never go lucky.
Hey, landlord. I'm a multi-millionaire now.
Congratulations, right?
Because I just win 300 million.
Congratulations again.
The problem is saying my phone just fall and the screen can't blind. So I just need like 100K.
Get away you. Clean your mouth. Clean that nonsense when you talk for your mouth, idiot. You dey look for 100,000.
You get money, sir. You dey use
go na Lekki.
God, the best you adopt me.
Adopt if I adopt you, what will happen to your uncle?
I believe one of village people they follow him.
Ew.
The devil has been waiting for you since to fail.
The devil has been waiting for you.
And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, say, bros, do your thing. Ozua!
Pluto!
Uncle, please can you help me repair the remote?
Sure.
What's happening?
Daddy, he spoiled the remote. I saw him start the remote and spoiled it.
What's going on?
Stop that. Don't speak like this around my kids. Speak simple, good, and correct English.
Yes, Daddy, I saw him with my 2 eyes.
Organa is sitting on top of this remote and not in me.
My daughter cannot be lying.
Me, remote is spoiled.
Yes, Uncle, I saw you. You spoiled the remote. You sat on it.
Me, so remote time. Remote, me.
Now, Yuki, who spoiled the remote?
That it's not me. It is him that spoiled the remote. I saw him.
Okay, as a man, you communicate with man to man.
No, you can't take me outside so that my daughter needs to defend herself here. Pluto, for the last time, who spoiled the remote?
Pluto knows how to speak English.
Do what?
Do remote.
Morning, sir. Good morning. How same to you. How are you? You are here already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can use this one.
This one? Yeah. So I was thinking you'll give me this your new car that I just bought. Yeah, it was this one I was expecting, sir.
I really want to change the color of that car. I want to spray the car around. Can you see the dent on the car?
Okay. Yeah, but sir, you know, for almost 4 years now, I've not been able to get to church. So if I arrive church in this car, you know, I will come in a grand style. At least they will feel my presence.
Well, that's true, sir. But I would prefer to use this one.
Yeah. Sir, if you leave me, I would prefer this one, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. You take it. Please drive safe.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Beggar, we get choice. A beggar with a choice. Police don't they wait for him. Hey, voila. What's going on here?
Officer.
Good morning, sir.
Happy Sunday, sir.
Same to you. How's the family?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Are you alone?
I'm alone, sir.
Please, you come down with your papers. I'll stop and search today.
Officer, please, I'm late for church this early morning. Let me just go to church, please. I'm running out of time, sir.
Sir, I'm sorry. Today is a general stop and search. Come down.
Osi!
What's going on here?
Young man, who is the owner of this vehicle? Okay, it's for my friend, my neighbor. I had to borrow it to go to church this Sunday morning. I've not been able to get to church for years. I have to borrow it.
For your information, this car is a stolen car. Ha! We've been looking for this car for quite some time now. It's so fortunate that we've seen you with this car now. Can you please call him?
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Hello? Hello, sir.
Are you in church already?
No, I've not gotten to church. Oh. I'm still on my way to church, sir. When the police stopped me. Police? They said that this vehicle is a stolen vehicle. I said, Oga cannot steal. Hello?
Ha! Hey.
Let me call him again. Fast.
You gotta trust man. Man, hard down. Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
Okay, the number is switched off.
You follow us to the station for further interrogation, eh? Please, hand me over the key.
Hold on, let me call him again.
It's a movie.
Okay, it's not my car. Let me call him.
Wow. Sorry. This guy don't fear about this church, no need. You don't fear about this church.
My final, but stop, I ain't going nowhere. Do you have it? You're dying, woo-hoo. You're one of a kind. You got it, but soon as I touch my body.
They go where they go. You see Nyash, you know Sabinus again.
But I don't mind that. Suddenly I'm
I've been looking for you all morning now.
Why are you looking for me? Why do you follow me? Don't follow me. I don't want to lose this anchor on you. Don't follow me.
Alaji, what's going on?
Baba, we don't see Nyash.
You know what it take us to get visa? We get a visa, buy ticket to Kenya. We don't pay her since on Tuesday. 1 year I never see. Don't go did injustice. Certain people need to answer for this crime they have committed. How can they be lying and say, hey, certainly the man, Naramali, I blame for this thing. I don't go here, I never see. I don't see this estate word. I don't go here. Where the Nyash?
Mumu they find Nyash.
Alaji, but calm down. Life is not all about Nyash.
Don't go. Life is not all about Nyash.
How can you say life is not all about Nyash?
Don't go Nyash. You can tell me life is not about Nyash.
Nyash is life.
That word again. If they burn your father, tell me life is not about Nyash again.
No credits today. Come tomorrow.
Yashini, man, say you don't want yourself, ni? This is the why I come here. You press this for work. Today too, you press that for work. If you ask if you find work, what? If you take it's okay, they don't want from this street to here. In fact, give me 2 bread and 1 sardine.
Dissolve!
Hey! Yeah, give me a labuku.
You don't get money now. That's what money you get.
Hello?
Hi, you called me.
They told you for this economy. Landlord, I beg. Give me 2 months. I go pay you your rent, I beg. Hello, landlord, I beg.
Hello, Stephanie. I beg, get patient with me. Yeah, I beg. I go pay you your money if I see man. I never see man. I did road like this. I beg.
Oh, now money the fight.
Everybody.
I swear. T-Pain, you do this one. T-Pain, you do this one. Don't worry.
Why are you here? Baba, as you see me, sir, I don't to suffer. Okay. I don't to suffer. I dey work hard, don't think they show. Now make I see my call meeting. I won't know my future. If I thought I go get money for this life, I won't see him. I want to know my destiny. Baba, show me my future, there. My son, you want to see your future? Yes. Kele kale kilo dodo. Adventure today news. Oh, come. Anamano. Watch.
You.
I'm robber.
You go be arm robber.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
This
Wow.
So for the future, you go kill me. Like serious. Before that future, I will first kill you now. Mama. Ask me to kill the car because I'm here. Why is it not making? What happened in the air?
Come my mama.
All of Lagos no say don't get competition. No. All of China. So for this man, I believe everything when they talk for this place. Now Okada carry come here, we just get help me spoil when she they do Jagaban.
I will not fall now. Yeah, thank you.
And so she take Nako or break the side mirror, but she no won't, thank God. Who be this Chinese Soso? You go replace side mirror for me, you call your con tell me about car. You know the year how much fuel be now, me person can get plenty car. The only car I want buy now na cashew.
Trust me. And also for the same car, for our new car, we will offer you 6 years free service as well as warranty. So you can rest assured, you can trust us with new cars. Just you trust us with your e-bike.
When I first hear 6 years free service, I say no, this thing is too good to be true. Now I tell her, I say, I'll get back to you. As I want to go, 90 man say, if you don't believe me, I can take you to my company in China. And I'm like, yeah. He say, wait, I can take you to my company in China. Now I tell her, I say, me, I don't believe you. 90 man say, okay, let me take you to my company in China.
Brother, go China.
As I reach China where I see that company like this, now there I confirm and say truly, Cherry in collaboration with Kaloha's plan for Nigerians is of good and not of evil, and truly they go service your car for 6 years. On my next video, I go show on waiting Cherry technology use my IC for China. You will love it. Shai.
我在。
打开车窗。
正在打。
This guy don't go far. Like, this guy don't go far, I must tell you. This is nice. Brain jotter. You don't go far, they tell you. Like, see moto. So from all these little beginnings, he's now in China, he's doing great things. So, it's all good. We're all good. Thank you guys for staying to the very end. I really appreciate that. I believe and hope you enjoyed the video, because I did actually. I actually enjoyed the video. So guys, please make sure to subscribe if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments if you're yet to drop any comments on this channel. Share this video, guys. Share it. You can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel which you are aware of. Check them all out and watch them. See you in my next video, guys. Peace out.